Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports animated wallpapers with audio. Not all launchers allow sound. Once done, pick a short looping video in MP4 or WebM and a small AAC or MP3 audio track so it won't drain resources. Make sure you install a reputable live wallpaper app that explicitly lists audio support. Otherwise, Android will mute sound. You'll also grant storage permission when prompted, so the app can access your media. Now proceed to open the wallpaper creator in the app and choose Create or Import. Select your video first, then add the audio track. Once imported, trim both to the desired loop length and enable seamless looping so video and audio repeat without gaps. Adjust the audio start offset to sync sound with visible action. Small shifts matter. Then set volume. Choose whether audio plays only on home screen versus lock screen, and toggle background, play if you want audio when the screen is off. Preview the live wallpaper, then apply it to your home screen and test audio while the screen is active. If you hear nothing, make sure system media volume is up, and the app has permission to run in background or play audio. Some phones mute wallpaper sound by design. In that case, restart the launcher or try a different compatible wallpaper app. If problems persist, force stop the app, clear cache, or reinstall it. This usually resolves permission or codec conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.